have my kababayan. Hello to
Hi,
you.
Jessa.
Hi, it's nice to see you here. Well, fun fact for everybody, I was supposed to compete for Binibining Kanlahi because I was crowned as Binibining San Manuel way back in 2018. And I was supposed to compete here, right here on stage. So this is a full circle moment for me, being once a candidate to post-candidate and now hosting the pageant. And now I'm faced with the new Queen of San Manuel. Congratulations to you. If I'm not mistaken, you are newly crowned.
Yes, Miss Jusa.
How was the experience so far being the Miss San Manuel?
Oh, I'm very honored to be representing our municipality, San Manuel, in a bigger stage, and I hope I will bring home the crown.
You should bring home the crown. All right, so we have a lot of candidates here tonight on stage, so it's time to prove your worth to the judges and to the audience. Now, Binibining San Manuel, you are partnered with Binibining Kamiling.
Yes.
Thea Natalie Manaloto. And Thea writes poetry. If she will be describing you in 3 poetic words, what would those words be?
Describing me.
Yes,
oh,
if Thea is about to write you a poem and she's gonna describe you, ano yung mga words na sasabihin niya sa'yo?
So Thea, I've read some of her freestyle poem, and she is a very good writer, guys. She is an education graduate, and if she would describe me in 3 words, it would be introvert, because I'm introverted, and educator. We are both educators, and third, gym girly, because we're both have the same type of fitness, as you both see, and then si partner ko, and we have the same type of body.
Oh, adyan ka pala. Okay lang sa'yo, pinag-uusapan ka namin.
Backstabbing?
Backstabbing. Pero on a positive way. We love to talk about people when it's about positive things.
Yes.
So, she's gonna describe you as introvert, educator, and gym. Okay, so you guys have the same hobbies, if I may say that. And Thea also loves sinigang.
Yes, especially sinigang na baboy.
Ooh, pork sinigang. If she's going to be a bowl of sinigang, if she were in a bowl of sinigang, which ingredient would best represent her personality and why?
She would be the pork. Oh, wait lang. She would be the pork because it is the most important ingredient in sinigang na baboy. It highlights the dish, and also it is the ingredient and the very most special product in Kamiling, which is the Kamiling Chicharon. And I would like to represent Thea in the dish of sinigang in the ingredient pork.
Pork. So that is the most important ingredient in sinigang. Hindi sinigang mix.
Hindi. Kamatis, pwede.
O kaya gabi, di ba?
Gabi,
At
yes.
least we cook. So thank you so much for that, Binibining San Manuel. Love
Thank you,
that.
Lusa.
Our introvert, educator, and gym girly. Thank you very much, Jenny Rose Alan Salon. And now let's